Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
Let's start now. Let's make our intro and outro video. So we will also make sure that the intro and the outro that we will make will be our intro and outro all throughout our every videos that we will upload, so that there is consistency in our intro and outro. Okay, so next is click that video intro video maker, and then there are a lot of templates that you can choose here. Actually, there are a lot, and there are also advertisements since this is a free app, so it is expected that there are advertisements that you can see. So for example, in my case, say for example I'd like to choose this template, so you can see it that way as preview if you like that, or if you like that way or this one. It depends upon you what you like, but for me, since I like this second template, then I'll have to click edit. So instead to have advertisements like this, so do not get shocked if you see a lot of advertisements, because again, this is free app, so that is their way to earn also money from this app. So we will, in my case, since my channel is all about YouTube journey step by step, so this is what I'm going to type in here. So I'm gonna click small text as a YouTube journey, and then big text as step by step. So you can change also the, just click this arrow and change the color. If you like the color, the small text, it change. I just want to change that into red, so that one. And then after changing red, here also step by step, I'm gonna change that into yellow, because this is the color that I use in my thumbnail. So next is change the elements. The element is the line beside this text. So I like to change this into this color, or we could do that as change that into white. Okay, now if you are done, you can do the zoom in and zoom out, or just can click the scale according to your like. So you can put it there or in the middle, and then position wide, up or down, or in the middle. So it's up to you. So I like that way. So next is I'm going to click this background. So you can choose a lot of backgrounds here. So we have dynamic, video, image, solid, and gradient. So let's explore the dynamic part. So if you are going to select that, this is what you are going to see. The next template, okay, that one. And another template. So you can choose according to your like. Actually, there are many. And I like this. I will select this, that one. And then below is the darken. You can darken that into like that one or that one. So here I want to see the blue color in the background. And then here in the video, you can also select if you have already video that you have stored there in your cell phone that you would like to be your background here, then you can select from internal storage or download from library. So if it is internal storage, it will you will be redirected to your videos here or to your files in your phone. But I will not do that. So you can also use download from library. There are a lot also to choose from here. Say for example this one. You can select the 1080 pixels, so this is already clear, the 720 pixel, 540 pixel, or 360 pixel. So if you want you call this drama in your intro, you can select as many templates here. So say for example I will select this this one. Say for example I will select and I will choose what do you call this 1080p pixel, because this is already very clear. So you need to then download that first. Video is downloading, so you'll just have to wait. Okay, did you see that? So this will be our preview. Wow, isn't that amazing? And because you can also choose education, there are a lot here, a lot of templates that you can choose from. Nature, flower, background, animal, city, ocean, and a lot of. So this is very I should say, for me it is a perfect intro maker for your video. It's very elegant and you can choose a lot of templates, hundreds and thousands of templates here. Okay, so now if you are done, you are through with that, then you can select the export part. So say you are already okay with this intro, then export. Click the export. Slow in render 1080p, medium in render, or faster in render. So we want to have a crisp intro, so we will be choosing 1080p, slow in render. So we will have to wait for the video to be saved in our phone. So do not close screen or open another app. We are almost done rendering the video. So next thing that we will do is the outro. We will make the outro. Okay, so it's already saved, and you can already share this if you want, but for now we will not share this. We will just save that into our phone because we still have to make another video, which is our outro. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from our video today. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!